Georgia, United States. I was looking for a hair transplant doctor in Surat, and I found Ashutosh Shah on Google. The reviews was very good, so I would like to experience personally. And I came here. The staff was very friendly, doctor was very friendly. I had a treatment. The treatment went very well. No pain, no side effects, nothing. So I'm very happy with the service and the staff and doctor. Everybody, everything was good. Thank you. If you have any concern regarding cosmetic surgery, hair transplant, I would definitely recommend Ashutosh Shah. I would like to recommend him because he's a very good doctor. So experience Dr. Ashutosh Shah by yourself and have a great experience. 9 out of 10. So I would like to rate the clinic and Dr. Ashutosh Shah 9 out of 10. Thank you.